Diba?
Okay lang yan.
We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Tama pa ba kayo? Nakita ko sa tatugan ng kamatos ha. Tingin dito sa taas. 25.2.
Dito na bibisip na.
Ang 22. Ano po pumili lang kayo kanina?
Papel sa, ibigay mo siya.
Ako daw po mag-ano?
Ay, ito.
The lost cat. Tom had a cat. The cat was big and fat. One day, the cat ran off. Tom was sad. She went to the park. She did not see the cat. Tom went home. The cat was on the mat. Tom was glad. The cat was back at last.
Answer.
What did Bob have? The cat. How did Bob feel when the cat ran off?
What will you do? Answer.
Where did Bob go to look for the cat? She went to the park. When was the cat at the end? The cat was at the park. How did Bob feel when the cat was back? Tom was glad.
Very good. Galing ah.
Depende. Huwag na siya Tagalog kasi marunong na siya sa
Opo.
Ibig sabihin niya, naintindihan niya at nababasa niya at naintindihan niya binabasa niya. Antayin mo na lang po yung magiging ano niya, magiging advisor at saka kung anong section niya. Ha?
Galing bumangan ni Bibi. Very good agad teacher. Kagawan yan si Bibi doon sa teacher. Bayin ng teacher, akin na lang yan si Jaira. Agawan ka nun, ano, baka yun ang advisor mo, baby. Gawin ka pang laban nun. Mga reading nun. Ito yung dati eh. Ano,